Hello and welcome to ELTMaestro tutorial. My name is Z, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started working with ELTMaestro Virtual Machine or VM image. We will cover download and install of Virtualbox, DBeaver, ELTMaestro Windows client, downloading and importing ELTMaestro server image into Virtualbox, starting Virtualbox and getting server IP address, using DBeaver and ELTMaestro Windows client to do a connection test. And finally, command to shut down virtual machine when finished. To install Virtualbox, go to www.virtualbox.org, download Virtualbox, select the operating system, open the installer, next, yes, install, finish. I have Virtualbox installed here. To install DBeaver, go to www.dbeaver.io, download, select the OS, run installer, OK, next, agree, next, install, finish. To download and install ELTMaestro Windows client, copy-paste the URL on the video description or download it directly from our website. Open the zip file, run the installer, run this program anyway, next, install, finish. To download ELTMaestro server image, copy-paste the URL to download the image from video description or from our website. The file size is about 3.5 gigabytes. It will take a couple of minutes to download since this is a large file. After the image has been downloaded, open Virtualbox. Click Import, browse to the downloaded folder, select the image, open, next. Now here, before you click Import, select Include All Network Adapter MAC Addresses on MAC Address Policy. Click Import. After the import is successful, you will see a VM has been created here. Click Start to launch it. If you get an error like this, click Change Network Settings. Select the appropriate network adapter. If you're on a laptop, select the Wi-Fi device here. Click OK. After a couple of minutes, you should see a login prompt. Login as root. Password is welcome123. And hit command ifconfig. The command ifconfig gives you the IP address of the virtual machine. Note down the IP address. In my case, it is 10.0.0.13. This is the IP address I'll be using to connect to the server. So here we're waiting for some log messages. When you see a log message like this, end of mstart, that means we are ready to connect. Let's test connectivity using DBeaver. Open DBeaver. Click on New Database Connection. Select All. Search for Hive. Select Apache Hive. Next. On the host, put the IP address that was the output of your ifconfig command. Database is iext. No username, no password. Click Test Connection. Connected. Click OK. Finish. This means DBeaver is able to connect to Maestro server. Let's see if we can see some data. Expand iext, double-click one of the tables. and we can see some data. This means DBeaver is connecting. Now to test connection with ELTMaestro Windows client, open ELTMaestro, enter the server IP address, username is integrator, password is integrator123, port 8181, login. After a successful login, and when you get to this screen where you can see a test workflow, there could be one or more test workflows on the VM. It means we can connect to ELTMaestro server using the client. So once we're done working, to shut down the VM properly, there is a shutdown script which we can run as root /shutdown.sh. The command shutdown.sh stops ELTMaestro services on the background and turns the VM off. Thank you. If you need any help, email us at zdave@maestro-analytics.com.